Denox Tech Reviews number 61. Denox reviews the Ledger Nano S. Hello YouTube, this is Denox speaking once again, and today I'm finally going to be reviewing a hardware wallet that I highly recommend you checking out if you are investing into cryptocurrency or are thinking about investing. Yes, I'm talking about the Ledger Nano S right here. This is a hardware wallet where you can securely store several kinds of different cryptocurrencies offline from the network. This makes your private key for cryptos stored in the Nano protected from hackers once you finish storing your Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, etc. in this cold storage. It is a lot safer to store it there than in an exchange like Bittrex, Binance, and even Coinbase, because in past history, some of them has had a history of being hacked, like Mt. Gox. The Ledger Nano S comes with a set of papers telling you what the product is all about, with instructions and plus the recovery sheet where you will need to write down the 24 words that the device gives, so you will be able to recover the cryptos that you store in this device in case it gets lost or stolen. Be sure to only write them on paper and never ever write the passphrase to your computer or anywhere it could get online exposure, and then store the recovery sheet in a very secure place where only you know where it is. It also comes with the USB cable to connect the Nano S to the PC, and accessories you can equip it so you can use it as part of your keychain or necklace. And of course, the main reason you bought this thing, the Ledger Nano S device itself. So when you set up the device, you will have to use the USB cable to connect it to the computer in order for the screen to turn on. Sadly, this will not turn on unless it's connected to a USB power device. When you do turn it on, you are presented with the welcome screen. You will be using the two small buttons above it to navigate through the device. Then you will set up your device by pressing both buttons to begin. It will ask you afterwards if you want to configure this as a new device. There is an X and a check. To move forward, click the button above where the check is on the right. Then it will ask you to set up your 4 to 8 digit PIN code. Be sure to memorize this well, because if you get this wrong after 3 failed attempts, the device will reset itself to factory settings and you will need the recovery sheet in order to restore your funds. You can just put 4 digits on your PIN, but I highly recommend you use the 8 digits so you can secure yourself even more from hackers trying to memorize your pins. Next, the device will give you a 24 passphrase you will need to write down in the recovery sheet like I mentioned just recently to recover your settings. Make sure that you also write this in order, because when you attempt to recover it in another Ledger Nano S device, they will ask you like what is the number 12 or number 19 passphrase, and it has to be the exact order and placing it as the device tells you. Once you have set up your list of recovery words, you will be presented to the menu of the Nano S. By default, you will already have a Bitcoin and Ethereum wallet installed on the device. But in order to have other coin wallets in the Nano S, you will need to install the Ledger Nano Bitcoin on your computer. And to add the coin that it supports, you will need to download the Ledger Manager in your Google Chrome browser. Yes, you need the Chrome in order to use the manager. But once you are able to have the Chrome plugin installed, you are able to add new coin wallets to the Ledger Nano S menu. But keep in mind that only up to 5 wallets can be displayed at one time. That is including the FIDO authentication app that you need for the second factor authentication on the device. The Ledger Nano S only supports a good handful of coins so far, with more to be added later like Cardano. And so you have an idea of what crypto coins the Ledger Nano S supports. Here is a picture of the list right now. The Bitcoin and altcoin wallets supports nearly all these cryptocurrencies, but Ethereum and Ripple has their own Ledger wallet that you must download separately in order to view and store these coins there. So once you have those applications set up, you are able to use the Ledger Nano S to transfer coins from like your Coinbase account to your Ledger wallet by using the private keys, which obviously I will blur it out for my financial safety of course. Warning! Double and triple check that the address where you receive Bitcoin or Litecoin, for example, is the same as the withdrawal address from the exchange, because if you send your coins to the wrong address, you will lose all your money forever in the crypto space. I recommend using the QR codes to make sure you got the right address. Sometimes the ledger itself will ask you to confirm if this is the right address, and if so, press the button above the check. on the right. Once you have followed these steps, you now have some crypto coins stored and secured offline in this hardware wallet. You can get the Ledger Nano S directly at their website at ledgerwallet.com at the retail price of $80. But if you do plan to get one, I suggest you get one as soon as possible because it may be sold out again soon, and then the prices will once again jack up like on eBay, where many people were selling it between $150 and $300. Insane. I actually purchased mine on eBay for $80, but lucky for me, mine was brand new and legit. Be careful when buying on eBay because there are some counterfeit ones out there that actually has the entire 24-word recovery sheet already written for you. It's pre-generated by scammers, so you could put in, store your coins in there, and the scammers can use the same recovery sheet to steal your crypto coins afterwards if you do not notice. You want a legit one from the ledgerwallet.com site. I was lucky on eBay, but do not risk it. Buy it on the official website since it's back in stock at the MSRP of $80. So to conclude this review, I had no problem with this device so far, and I had several of my Litecoins, Vertcoins, and Ripples already stored securely in this device for quite some time, and still have my coins stored there to hold long term. It's a very convenient device to store coins in multiple wallets all in one little USB-like device. Although I do not think I would have understand the procedures of setting up the Ledger Nano S quickly unless I checked some YouTube tutorials about it. Even if you only have up to 5 cryptocurrency wallets shown in the menu, after storing Bitcoin in your wallet for example, you can uninstall the wallet from the Ledger and put another wallet to store some more coins in. If you decide to reinstall the wallet, your coins that you have stored there will still be shown. I highly recommend this product if you hold a good amount of crypto monies in exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Bittrex to store your coins there and prevent you from being hacked by hackers if you store the recovery sheet on paper. If you enjoyed this review and want more videos like this from me in the future, be sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell next to it so you can be notified on your device whenever new videos become available from me. It's a hardware wallet where you can be assured that your cryptos are safe. I have a link to the Ledger Wallet website if you plan to purchase one yourself. If you have any other questions, leave it in the comment section below to clarify any of your doubts and curiosity to find out even more about this. Remember that this is not financial advice. Be sure to do your own research on a crypto coin you may be interested in investing in. So on to next video guys, take care, God bless, and stay cool. Bye bye. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please check my other videos below and subscribe to the channel by clicking the notification bell next to it to receive notification on your device whenever new videos becomes available from me. Plus, feel free to join my DenoxSeries gaming Discord group where you can meet new gamers, tech, and anime fans alike. See you then!